In this video, I'll show you how to check recent activity on an Android phone. This feature allows you to view your past actions and activity history connected to your Google account. It's useful for privacy checks, security monitoring, and keeping track of what's been accessed on your device. First, open Settings on your device. Once you're in Settings, tap on the search icon next to your profile picture. From here, type Data and Privacy in the search bar. After selecting Data and Privacy, you'll see an option appear. Tap on the first option labeled Google Account. This will take you to a new page. Now scroll down until you find My Activity and tap on it. From here, you can view all of your recent activity. Simply scroll down to see everything listed. As you can see, all your activities are displayed here. And that's it! I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon.